Hi, okay, this is Tuesday afternoon, the 6th of November, and let me just say a few words that will help maybe pull together where we're going in the class. Quite a few of you have finished your IRB, that's the Institutional Review Board approvals, and have started into your interviews. This week we throw in just a little bit of a sideline, and that is an opportunity to collect some data via what I'm calling alternative representation or alternative data collecting methods. That would be something different than typical documents, or different than interviews, or different than observations. Those are the three kinds that we often find in qualitative studies. By an alternative data source, I'm thinking about things like photos, if that fits. And on my webpage you'll see an example of that. Glenda May Green actually asked her the people in her study to just identify and to take pictures of things that symbolized success for Caribbean Canadian women. And so she had them take pictures of those things, and then they brought the photos to her, and then while they were having the interview they talked about what those meant to them. One that we're working on right now, an article, that's Eileen White's. She asked people to draw a diagram of the process of how you connect the budgeting process with the program review process with the strategic planning process for a university. And that was very, very rich. It really enriched the data and gave us information that we wouldn't have gotten if we would have just asked people questions. Let's see some other examples. People have asked folks that they're interviewing to write a letter, to write a poem, but some alternative way to collect some data. So see what you can think about in terms of your own data, and if you can think of something, just throw that in along with your interviews. I think most of you are still in the interview process. So that's what we're looking at this week, and you can see a number of those examples on my webpage. Stop. Right there.